Did you know? Average temperature in the Atlantic Ocean. Each ocean in the world not only has a different area, but also the average temperature within it. Usually this temperature difference is adjusted to the surrounding location, because the closer you are to the poles, the colder the temperature will be, and vice versa. Reported by Almanac.com, perhaps many people don't think that the Atlantic Ocean actually has quite warm temperatures, even though it's not really warm. In some situations, the average temperature in the Atlantic Ocean is around 9 degrees Celsius, and in each location it can vary.